Hello, welcome to the new chapter of Python. In this one, we are going to learn about the multiple of strings part, the multiple of your booleans, operator lists, and tuples. We are going to learn this one. Let me share my screen. Here you go. So I will continue with where we left. All right. Now we are going to learn the strings. Okay, Python strings. So slicing. So slicing is return a character by using the slicing text. Specific the start index and the end index separate by colon to return a part of the strings one. Okay, so let me start with this one strings one. If I say b hello world to world print b this to 5, I'll get only what 2 and 5. If I say 7, I'll get what LLO W 1 2 1 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, LLO W. This is how this is being strings when we're working on this part. Okay. Now, if we talk about in deep, we'll see modifying strings. How will we modify strings? Okay. To modify one, I'll give you an example of the uppercase. The same way, same things. I just copy it here. Print a dot upper UWR bracket on bracket off bracket off. Let's see what is I can get here. Okay, something in 45 print a. I'm sorry, it will be my b. My bad. All right. It will showcase you the upper word, which is comes from the hello word upper. Yeah, it makes you the strings should be your upper. What if there is a one upper, then again it will make your all syntax should be in a upper word. Okay, same go for the lowercase. I just copy this thing and I'll do it here. I find hello, so make it here lower. See, this is makes me lower word. Okay, now if I want to remove the white space between them, okay, in that scenario I'll just doing hello world print dot strips just this one, and see what is I can get hello world with removing this white space. So this is how this is working on this one. Eventually we can do our multiple of thing. If we want to replace, we do dot replace with h2j. Okay, and run it. Jello world. This is so awesome. With hello Jello world. Yeah. So this is how we eventually can do bring to a multitude of things which we can perform here in this session. So okay. Now if we go more into a deep side, we have a concatenations concate one strings which we can do. Okay, generally it's for making a words parts, and we are going to do this case by taking your a, let's say issue, b is your j, c would be your a plus this plus p print c. Okay, awesome. Alright, so this is the help me for the concreting part. Same go. If we wanted to say age equals to 36, okay, and other side text would be my name is John. I am plus age. Print txt. Yeah, this works because it's making your integers part. Alright, this is work. What if I use int here? This things give me error. Processing. But yeah, I think it works. No worries. Okay, the next chapter for us is with boolean. Booleans. Okay, booleans represent one of two values, which is true or false. Okay, we'll work on this way only. Okay, let's stop this processing. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's do this one. Print 10 is greater than 9. Print 10 also equals to 9. Print 10 is this one and 9. So this one. Let's see what I can see here. Something is problematic with this part. Okay. I don't know, maybe something's running slow this way. We can also work on this way also. True, false, false. Yeah, this is also okay for us. No worries. Yeah, true, false, false, false. This is what we are going to be learning. Okay, one more example of the boolean. Let's say A is 200, B is 33. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. Print B. B is greater, else print B is lower. Let's see what result I can get. Okay, if B is greater than A, print this one greater than A, else so print. I think it will work. Okay, something that a bit else. Else print B is greater than. Okay, if I just remove else only and I run it, so something's problematic with this online compliance. I don't know, maybe what if I use different way. Mm, let's see coding shuttles. This will not give me something problematic now. Okay, same way. A is 200, B is 300. If B is greater than A, print B is best. Best. Else print B is bad. Example. Okay, now see command line. Scripting line 6. There's a problematic coming the end of 6 part. We can figure out this one. Let's take this AI support. What the error is exactly. What is bad? If this one is okay, print is okay. Okay, some space there issue. Okay, now it's running fine. B is pressed. Then here you go, like this way. There wasn't some. Okay, so it was an issue with these some spacing spot which they required. Okay. Okay, now the same way which we can also work in the same method. This one. Now we can take it as a X, take it as a Y. Print bull X, print bull Y. Alright, let's see. B is best, true, 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 and we are good to go on the bullet side. So, okay. Now we work on the operator, the most important part. Now we'll work on operator. Okay, so operator are used to perform the operations of a variable and value. In this example below, we use plus signature sum to operate the adding together of two values. Okay, so let's say if I go in this way, sum 1 equals to 100 plus 50, sum 2 equals to sum 1 plus 250, sum 3 equals to sum 2 plus sum 1. Print sum 1 sum 1 2 3. Run it. Okay, equal to issue. This is fine. A very sensitive way which we have to perform. We cannot give a space. You can see if I'm giving some space, it's giving me error. So yeah, this is how this arithmetic way which we can perform it here. Okay, we can do multiple arithmetic process. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like this way. If I just quickly showcase you minus divide. See the result, something like this way. If I just do some, exponentials way, just this, let's see, you can see here. So yeah, whatever you do in this way, we can perform it and we can achievable. Okay, so this is your arithmetic process which we can perform it here. Now, then the same way, we can also work on a logical operators. Okay, the logical operator generally. So the logical operator generally works on your combining the conditional statement. It generally works with your and or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's say x equals to 5, print x equals to 0 and x is greater than 10. Okay, true. This is how it looks best for me. Okay, this is how the logical operator generally works. Okay, we can do multiple of it. Thank you for this class. We'll see you in the next class.